Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming kits, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5471 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. Both of these products offer unique features aimed at providing comprehensive grooming solutions for men. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and overall value, helping you make an informed decision on which grooming kit suits your needs best. Let's get started. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5471 stands out with its precision wheel, offering 40 length settings that allow for incredibly detailed grooming. This feature is ideal for users who want to achieve specific styles and lengths with precision. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer provides a more standard level of precision with its guide combs, offering lengths up to 12 millimeters. While it is versatile, it does not match the fine control offered by Braun's model. When it comes to battery technology, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit relies on older NiMH technology, which requires a lengthy 5-hour charge time for an 80-minute runtime. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer utilizes modern lithium-ion technology, providing a quicker 1.5-hour charge time and a longer runtime of 90 minutes. This makes the SHPAVVER a more convenient option for users who value efficiency. In terms of overall value, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit is priced at $64, reflecting its premium features and brand reputation. However, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer is priced lower at $56, offering more attachments and better battery performance. For those looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features, the SHPAVVER presents a compelling choice. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5471 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize precision and brand trust, the Braun may be the better choice for you. However, if you value battery efficiency and versatility at a lower price, the SHPAVVER is an excellent option. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.